Good morning, fam. Let's take 5 minutes to loosen up your spine and open your hips, creating space and energy to carry you through the day. Whether you've been sitting, sleeping, or just need a quick reset, this routine will have you feeling flexible and free. Let's hit the mat. Start on all fours with your wrists directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale deeply as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone toward the ceiling. This is your cow. Feel the stretch ripple through your spine. Now, exhale, rounding your back, drawing your chin to your chest, and tucking your tailbone. This is your cat. Move with your breath, letting each inhale create expansion, and each exhale release tension. This stretch is going to improve spinal flexibility and bring awareness to your core. If you're starting out and you need to take this gentle, keep the movement small and focus on controlled breathing. If you need more of a challenge, try moving deeper into the arch and round, exaggerating the motion to maximize flexibility. Come back to all fours, and this time, slide your right arm underneath your body, lowering your right shoulder and ear to the mat. Keep your hips square and your left hand grounded for support. Feel the gentle twist through your spine and the release between your shoulder blades. Now slide your left arm underneath your left body, lowering your left shoulder and ear to the mat. Breathe deeply into this twist, allowing your upper back to open and soften. Keep your hips slightly higher for less intensity. If you need more intensity, press your grounded hand more firmly into the mat to deepen the twist. Step your right foot out, keeping your left knee grounded. Place your right forearm on your thigh and extend overhead. Start swinging as you reach toward your left side. Feel the stretch along your side body, hips, and chest. Now step your left foot out to the side, placing your left forearm on your thigh and reaching overhead. Let the stretch travel from your hip all the way through your fingertips. If you're a beginner, try keeping your reach low and focus on creating length without overextending. If you're advancing and you need more of a challenge, sink deeper and reach farther for a more intense stretch. Transition into pigeon pose. Bring your right knee forward and place it behind your right wrist. Extend your left leg straight back, lowering your hips as far as is comfortable. Keep your hands in front of you for support, or fold forward if you feel steady. Bring your left knee forward now, extending your right leg behind you. Breathe deeply into the stretch, allowing your hips to open gently. If you're a beginner, try placing a cushion under your hip for added support. If you need more of a challenge, fold forward completely, extending your forearms for a deeper release, and continue this flow. Press up into downward dog, spreading your fingers wide and lifting your hips high toward the sky. Press your heels toward the mat and feel the stretch lengthen through your hamstrings, calves, and spine. If you like, pedal your feet, bending one knee at a time to intensify the stretch. Let each exhale deepen the pose, creating space along your back and legs. This is your final stretch, grounding your body and preparing you for the rest of your day. If you need to take this gentle, keep your knees bent slightly to reduce tension. And if you need more of a challenge, focus on sinking your heels fully into the mat for a deeper stretch. Great job, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've loosened up your spine, opened up your hips, and set your body free. Save this routine for whenever you need a quick stretch to reset. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Grab your free customizable fitness program using the link in the description. Keep stretching, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.